Hello everyone, Hall here, and once again, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new beyerdynamic Lagoon ANC. Yeah, it's not ants, it's ANC. Let's go check it out. Alright, so here it is, the beyerdynamic Lagoon ANC. ANC standing for Active Noise Cancellation. I have not opened this yet. You can see the sticker is still intact, so let's get right to it. Let's take a look inside. Magnetic cover, so really nice experience for the unboxing. And there we go. That's the hard case that comes with the Lagoon ANC. Also on the inside, you get a bunch of wires. That's 3.5 millimeter and your USB charging, USB-C charging, which is awesome because now everything is going toward the USB-C direction anyway. So good job, beyerdynamic. Let's get inside. Ready? Wow. Looks good. And it feels good. And it smells good. It's not too heavy for wireless Bluetooth headset. All right, let's see what it looks like on. Feels good. Let's power this baby up and see what it does. For that, I'm gonna go to the instruction guide just because. Now the Lagoon ANC blocks out the world of outside sounds thanks to active noise cancellation. With the help of innovative sound personalization, it can be adjusted to suit the individual listening's needs of the person wearing the device. Harmonious down to the last detail. All right, let's power this up. So according to the instruction guide, what you just saw is called the light guide system. Now this light guide system is pretty cool because the light's on the inside, which if you think about it is good because now it's in pairing mode, therefore it's blinking blue. You know how most headsets or headphones have the light on the outside? I hate that. I hate that for a variety of reasons. And one being, you usually put this on and then you try to pair it with your cell phone, right? If the light's on the outside, you need a mirror or you need someone else to help you look to see if the light's blinking. This is so user-friendly because there you go, you lay it on a table, the lights are blinking, you know that it's in pairing mode, and then you just basically go to your phone, turn on your Bluetooth, and then connect the device. Let's see who that is. Sorry about that, that was delivery. So this light guide system I was talking about, yeah, so it's so cool to have the lights on the inside of the cups or the caps or the cans, because when you pick them up or when you're trying to connect your phone, you know what's happening, what functions turned on or what's not. Another cool feature with this light guide system is that when you pick it up, it lights up, telling you which side is left and which side is right. You no longer have to look to the side, especially for those with very small prints on which side is supposed to go into your head. You can tell from the color. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so let's pair this baby up and then fire it up. Okay, so music works and it's sounding pretty good right out of the box. However, there's something very, very special about the Lagoon ANC. And that is the fact that you could actually use an app on your phone. You got to download the beyerdynamic app. and put on the headphones, and what it does is that the app on your phone would send signals to your headphones. Based on what you can or can't hear, you react to the phone, and then it tunes. So there's a tuning system in the headphones paired with the phone app that tunes what your ear is capable of hearing, what it's not capable of hearing, like different frequencies and the range and all that magical good stuff, to give you the precise audio quality that you can appreciate and enjoy. So basically, if I've tuned up this set of Lagoon ANC to my listening preferences, and you pick up the headphones and you put them on, then the music may not sound that great because it's not tuned to your preferences. And with an app, you solve all that. I mean, how amazing is this technology? And by the way, there's a physical button on the side for your ANC controls, for your active noise cancellation controls right here. And you can turn it off. You can have it to set level 1 or level 2. And I just did a quick test. Level 1 brings you to a very balanced noise cancellation surrounding. So you still kind of hear the outside, but it doesn't alter the music too much. ANC 2, I couldn't tell the difference if there's an audio difference with the music, but I mean, I'm sure some audiophiles will be able to tell the difference. But it really cuts out the outside sounds and outside noise. And that's awesome because you're on a plane, you're on a train, you're in a noisy environment. That would give you a lot of peace. Also, on this side, on the right side, basically there's nothing on the left. On the left can or the left cup, there's nothing except for a little microphone. The right side, so for those of you who are left-handers, you might need to get used to using your right hand, but all the controls on the right side. Or a touchpad. You basically down for volume control, tap it once or tap it twice to play or to pause your music, swipe forward, swipe backward to get your music going or to get to the next track. You can also use this as a headset for making phone calls and all that usual stuff. But ultimately, this is a pair of beyerdynamic headphones, which means music quality or audio quality, main priority. All right, so I'm gonna tune this up now and see if I could tell the difference. All right, so I thought I would change the angle up a little bit to show you guys how we get this project going. So basically, you download the app, the beyerdynamic app, and then you get to select your phone. It's pretty seamless because the moment I turn on the app, it immediately showed me Lagoon ANC. So let's choose that. Connections being established, and we're in. So basically, you have to enter some of your personal stuff like your date of birth. What the beyerdynamic app does is it collects all the audio data from everybody worldwide and then fine-tune it as time goes by. So basically, this system will evolve the more you use it, which is really awesome. All right, let's get start now. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this with the headset on my head. So let's pick them up. You can see the color difference right there, so you know which is left and which is right. Super easy, super functional, super practical. All right, so I've had these headphones now for about a week and I've done all the firmware updates, all the fine tuning to squeeze out every ounce of quality that it is capable of. And I'm telling you, it is a very capable set of headphones. I mean, the highs are high, the mids are mid, and the lows are lows. I'm not sure what the right term is, but if you want it to pierce, it pierces. If you want that bass to reverberate down your spine, you get that as well. So it's a very well balanced headphones, and I really love them. If I had to make a pro and con list, well, obviously the pro list would be a lot longer than the cons. Audio quality is magnificent, battery life is magnificent. I have had these for a week. ANC level 1 and 2 only, I didn't turn it off, and I still have 40%. I'm using it every single day. So according to the website, without ANC, you get up to 45 hours of usage, and if you turn on ANC, you get about 24, 25 hours. So it's really decent. If I had to say something negative, and this is me being nitpicking, this super comfortable, super plush cushion, it does trap a little bit of heat around the ears, especially if you're living in a hot environment, a hot climate like Singapore. Then yes, it warms up a little bit, but it's not a big deal because they're very easy to clean. But they're so comfortable. Like, if you could feel it, oh, they're so comfortable. Absolutely love them. So yeah, that's the end of my little unboxing video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have experience with these headphones, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are planning on getting a set of these headphones, leave me a comment and I'll let you guys know a little bit more detail if you guys need more details. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.